Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect Dokan to SuiteDash using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. Now, go to the Flows page. Click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Now click Select an app and search Dokan as a trigger. New vendor added. Now click on the Listen Response button and go to the Dokan vendor dashboard. Add a new vendor. Fill up the vendor. Vendor created successfully done. Now go to BitFlows dashboard. The vendor data will be available in captured response. Now close the trigger tab. Click the plus icon. Then search and select SuiteDash. Create contact as an action. Add connection. You can change connection name. To get the name and value, go to the SuiteDash dashboard. Here your SuiteDash API name. Copy and paste it here. Now let's go back to the SuiteDash dashboard for value. Click on Add Secret Key button. Enter the API name. Save it. Now you will see your value. Copy and paste it here. Connect. Select a role as per your requirement. Map the respective field. Close it. Now click Test Flow once. Use existing data. Click on the Log button to view details. In the Log section you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded. To verify the created gist in SuiteDash, open your SuiteDash dashboard, then go to CRM and select Contacts. You can see data came successfully done. Thanks for watching.